Hey guys, this video is to talk about Unit 4 air work. So you're not going to submit this assignment until the end of the marking period when we've already covered all of our air work, right? Again, do not submit this until the end of the marking period when I ask for it. So if we scroll down, go ahead and open up the note catcher. And this is what's going to open. So our directions state, use this sheet to take notes as you engage with your independent reading book to demonstrate mastery of the reading skills of the unit. Be sure to log your reading each day. This is due in its entirety, probably around the end of May, but specific deadlines will be given as we get closer. So in this table right here, what you're going to do is you're going to log the dates that you're reading. So when we have assigned airtime, you're going to log the date, the title of the book, what pages you read, and what skill you focused on while reading. Remember, these are our 3 reading skills of the unit. So inferencing, central idea, and analysis of ideas, So if you scroll down, this should look really familiar because this was used in our note-taking sheets when we were watching the film in the very beginning of the marking period. So these are the things that you're looking for as you are reading your independent reading book. Your independent reading book should focus on some kind of injustice that you were researching because it will help you. Then you could kind of double dip and you would be able to not only do your independent reading work, but you'll also be able to apply it to the writing assessment that's coming up sooner than we think. All right. But whatever book you choose to read, it can be just for pleasure. That's not a problem. You're focusing on inferencing, central ideas, and analysis of ideas. You can go in any order you'd like. But I do suggest as you're reading, if you find areas of uncertainty that pop out to you, focus on inference. As you're thinking about those central ideas or those themes that are popping up, then you want to think about how they're developing over the beginning, the middle, and the end of your text. And then analysis of ideas, that's going to be that overarching message and what supporting details are there. So you want to kind of have the overarching message decided about probably a little bit before halfway through so that you can link up with those supporting details and provide that textual evidence that's needed here. All right. So in the top table, you're writing all the dates that you read, what book you're reading, how many pages you read, and which skill you were focusing on while reading that day. And underneath, this is where you're going to demonstrate applying these skills of the unit to your independent reading book. Let me know if you have any questions.